Hello, do you know how to read and write the numbers 1 through to 10? Right, this is how you do it. This is number 1. So, number 1 is spelt like this. O-N-E for number 1. Let's go to the next one. Number 2. T-W-O. Number 3, this one. Number 3 is a bit harder to spell because it's got a H in it. And that's how you spell 3. Number 4 is like this. And number 5 is like this. F-I-V-E. And then number 6 is like this. Number 7 is S-E-V-E-N. You've got to remember those E's. Number 8, this is the hardest one to spell. 8 is like that. And number 9, it's actually a bit easier. N-I-N-E. And then finally, number 10 is T-E-N. That's how you spell your numbers from 1 to 10. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!